happy bank holiday, everyone. As you can see, I'm in the garden because it is nice and lovely because I'm checking this cherry tree for their, oh look, it looks like we're gonna have some abundance of cherries this year, so I cannot wait. So it's a competition between me and the birds who gets first, right? So yesterday I didn't do any good morning greetings to all of you because I'm absolutely exhausted because I went to Chelsea flower show, lots of walking, and boy, my legs is literally killing me. Yesterday I didn't do lots of walking because I went to a friend's seafood barbecue. So that is first time for me where everything she cooks is seafood, from prawns, she had salmon, and she has tilapia, and she had this tiny fish which I think it's called sprat. Is there a sprat? Yeah, I think it is sprat. So that's quite really nice, and lots of vegetables. So she did a vegetable kebab. Well, I really kind of like want to film it, but I have no energy, and she gets a bit, she's a camera shy, her and her husband. So I respect that. So I just went in there, enjoy. This is like towards late afternoons, basically like brunch to dinner kind of thing, and it was really nice. And then we had some few my Sharia more because the weather is so warm, and she chilled a handful of bottle of prosecco, so that went down honestly like a treat yesterday. So if you haven't tried a seafood barbecue, I recommend, guys, you do it, or your favorite fish or any shellfish, because she was intending to get a mussel, but that time they ran out of mussel, so hence we only had like the prawn. But honestly, it is really good, and the sauce is just literally pure butter that we were like brushing the fish and the prawn. Yeah, I am absolutely loving it, enjoyed it. So today it's kind of like a little bit of a rest day for me. I don't know yet what to do, whether cut the grass and do a little bit of house chore, because tomorrow I'm back to work again. So yeah, guys, what is your day today? Is it relaxing day or catching up with friends? But definitely for me, I'm just enjoying the morning here in the garden. Whatever you do, keep smiling, and bye for now. Bye, guys.